Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Maybe you can introduce yourself and what your company does.
I'm Adam Wakefield. I'm the managing editor at Founders Factory Africa. Founders Factory Africa is an early stage investor across the continent, investing in East, West, South, and North Africa. Our portfolio stretches over 55 companies, with a large proportion of that portfolio being in fintech.
Okay. How do you view Founders Factory impacting of Africa?
I think we impact Africa through driving increased economic inclusion and economic growth through the founders that we support solving pain points in their local markets. They're able to change conditions on the ground for their customers, which to us means driving positive change on the ground, whether it be through improved fintech services, increased financial inclusion, money velocity in the economy, and you can even stretch it out towards health tech, agri-tech. It's making the lives easier for the continent citizens on the ground through innovation.
Okay. The third question will be, in the next 10 years, how do you see fintech in Africa looking like?
Fintech in Africa is going to be the totem pole driving the economy forward. If you can access financial services, it means you can pay for anything. It means you can get economic inclusion. Long term, it means you can probably buy a house. It's the true path to African economic growth just through innovation, in a nutshell. Without fintech, the ecosystem itself, it would struggle to grow in itself as it bleeds into every sector. It's vital for the future of the entire ecosystem at large.
Okay, so I have three quick fire questions for you. First one being your first paycheck. What did you spend it on?
Well, when I spend it on rent, food, probably I think a bottle of wine. This is my first paycheck. Yeah.
Okay. Speaking about food, what's your favorite food?
I will probably say a chicken on a braai, or chicken cooked over a fire.
Yeah, braai, South African braai.
Yes.
Nice.